Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So I will show you two different ways. Let's start with the quickest one. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So just tap on OK. And the second way, through the settings, let's tap on them. Let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to tap on More Status. And as you can see right here in the device details, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, we have to tap on them to show the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.